Hello everyone and welcome back to AutoXplore. If you're passionate about cars, automotive news, and the latest updates, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on today's topic. Now let's dive into the latest official updates for the 2025 Hyundai Elantra. This highly anticipated model promises to elevate the Elantra lineup with enhanced features, a modern design, and cutting-edge technology, making it a top contender in the compact sedan market. According to the latest updates, the 2025 Hyundai Elantra comes with a bold and futuristic redesign. Hyundai has given the Elantra a more aggressive modern look while still maintaining the sleek lines and aerodynamic shape that have become synonymous with the model. The front grille has been redesigned with sharper, more angular lines, making it stand out with a more aggressive presence on the road. The headlights feature a sharp, angular design with signature LED lighting that spans across the front, giving the Elantra a distinct and futuristic appearance. From the side, the car's clean lines and sculpted body emphasize its sporty character, while the rear continues this design philosophy with a dynamic bumper and sharp taillights. These taillights are also equipped with LED strips, which not only enhance visibility but also add to the high-tech look of the sedan. As for the color options, Hyundai is offering a variety of vibrant and sophisticated colors, including the standout crimson red and platinum silver, both of which enhance the Elantra's sleek, modern character. The exterior is more refined, with a focus on aerodynamics and aesthetics to give the car a sophisticated yet aggressive edge. Inside, the 2025 Hyundai Elantra is an embodiment of luxury and innovation. The cabin is designed with comfort and convenience in mind, featuring high-quality materials such as premium leather upholstery and soft-touch surfaces throughout. The seats are not only stylish, but also offer outstanding comfort, ensuring an enjoyable ride for both the driver and passengers. The dashboard is sleek, featuring a large touchscreen display that seamlessly integrates with the center console. This screen is intuitive, offering the latest infotainment system, which includes connectivity features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The instrument cluster has been updated with digital displays that provide all the essential driving information in a clear, modern format. The car also offers ambient interior lighting, enhancing the atmosphere with soft LED lights that accentuate the premium feel of the cabin. The seats come with adjustable controls, and the front seats are heated and ventilated, ensuring that passengers experience maximum comfort regardless of the weather. Hyundai has also placed a strong emphasis on safety, offering advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, all of which are now standard in the 2025 Elantra. Under the hood, the 2025 Hyundai Elantra delivers a performance upgrade that further enhances its appeal. The car comes with several engine options, including efficient hybrid models that combine power and fuel efficiency. The gasoline-powered variants feature a turbocharged engine, which promises a thrilling driving experience with plenty of power for city driving and highway cruising. Hyundai has also focused on optimizing fuel efficiency, with the hybrid version providing excellent mileage and reduced emissions. The handling has been fine-tuned for a smooth, responsive drive, with suspension upgrades ensuring that the Elantra remains stable and comfortable on a variety of road surfaces. For those seeking a more performance-oriented experience, the N-Line trim is also available, offering a sportier driving experience with enhanced power and sharper handling characteristics. The Elantra's combination of comfort, power, and efficiency makes it one of the most well-rounded compact sedans in its class. Hyundai has made significant strides in the engineering of the 2025 Elantra, focusing on providing drivers with the latest technologies. The car features an updated powertrain with more efficient engines, improved aerodynamics, and a better suspension system, ensuring a smooth, stable ride. The infotainment system in the 2025 Elantra is state-of-the-art, including smart connectivity with cloud-based services, allowing drivers to access their personal press-throughs, weather updates, and real-time navigation at the touch of a button. Additionally, the car supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that your vehicle's software is always up to date with the latest features and enhancements. The safety systems are also top-notch, with Hyundai incorporating the latest crash avoidance technology, adaptive cruise control, and collision detection systems that make the Elantra not only a stylish car, but also one of the safest in its class. In conclusion, the 2025 Hyundai Elantra is a well-rounded vehicle that blends modern design, advanced technology, and solid performance, making it a standout in the compact sedan category. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver, a family car with plenty of room, or a vehicle that delivers on performance, the Elantra has you covered. According to the latest official updates, this new Elantra brings significant improvements across the board, from its exterior design to its interior features and advanced technologies. It's definitely a car to watch out for when it hits the market. If you're excited about the 2025 Hyundai Elantra and want to stay updated on all the latest automotive news, make sure to subscribe to AutoXplore. Like this video and drop a comment below letting us know your thoughts on this new Elantra. We'd love to hear your opinions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of automobiles with AutoXplore.